my channel Tube English.
Learn with fun.
Today we are going to do a small conversation about
Coronavirus.
yes, coronavirus. This is the most requested video. Our subscribers requested me to do a small conversation about coronavirus. So let's get started.
So let's get started.
In this conversation, my name is Gautami and her name is Kitu. She is very sad about coronavirus. She has read about coronavirus in the newspaper. So she became sad about coronavirus. Hi Kitu. All good?
Yes, all good.
No. You look worried.
No, nothing really.
Come on, you can share with me. Tell me what happened.
I just read about the deadly coronavirus in our country.
Yes, don't worry about coronavirus. The bigger worry about coronavirus is there is no medicine for it.
Oh, that's so scary. But what does this coronavirus do? And how does it spread?
It came to China from animals. We also know that it spreads from human to human contact.
But what does this coronavirus do?
It causes symptoms like common cold, sneezing, running nose. In some people, it leads to bronchitis and pneumonia too. In humans, it spreads through sneezing, coughing and nose discharge.
So people who come in contact with a sick person get infected?
Yes, especially with old people or the people with low immunity.
But how is it treated if there is no medicine for it?
The doctor gives medicine to lower down the fever or pain that might you have.
But what about the virus and what about the infection?
The infection goes away on its own most of the times.
Oh, you mean the medicines only treat pain and hope for the virus to go away on its own?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Are there any precautions you should follow if you get infected?
Get help early if you have severe cold. Take rest, drink lots of water, sleep, and you have to quarantine yourself for 14 to 15 days. I won't say it is scary. It is just a new virus. And we will find an antibiotic for it soon enough.
But why do these new viruses keep coming up every now and then?
We know very little about the world. We need to know a lot. Inventions are under progress.
But the virus is very dangerous.
Yes, it is dangerous. See, we control H1N1, SARS, bird flu, etc. In that way, we can control this virus because inventions are under progress. Don't bother about that.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
But what if we get infected?
If you take precautions, you won't get infected.
Precautions like what?
For one, wash your hands with soap frequently. And you have to wear mask and sanitizer whenever you go outside.
Okay.
You have to avoid crowded places.
Okay.
Don't eat out.
Yes, I eat at home.
That's good. If you feel fever, cough or cold or any breathing issues, you have to see doctor.
Okay, I'll take care of myself.
If someone in your home falls sick, you have to take them to the hospital. And don't get close to them. Don't get panic. If you get panic, the situation becomes more worse.
But we need to save ourselves.
Yes, we can do that by getting more information. But right kind of information.
Okay.
There is lot of false information everywhere. We should not believe that false information. Some people are saying that yoga can help cure coronavirus. No one knows if that is true.
Right.
But we know that if someone coughs, we have to stay away from them.
Yes.
Exactly. And also avoid touching your mouth, eyes, nose when you are out.
Okay. I will wash my hands with soap for 20 seconds after I come from out.
Yes, that's good. Taking precautions is more useful than panicking. You only increase the danger by panicking. So you should not panic. You have to follow rules and regulations. Whenever you go outside, you have to use mask and sanitizer and avoid crowded places. And you have to stay away from the people who are coughing.
Okay, I will take care of myself.
Very good. Hi Kitu.
Hi.
Why are you without mask?
I don't like to wear mask.
But why? What's your problem?
It creates breathing problem of mine.
Breathing problem. But you have to wear it. You have to get habitualized with that. If you wear regularly, you will be get habitualized. You should practice it.
Is it mandatory?
Yes. What am I asking? I am asking about mask. It is mandatory to wear mask. You know very well that corona is a dangerous disease. You have to wear mask whenever you go outside. It is a classroom. Here we are all with you. If anyone is there with corona disease, you may get corona disease. We are in public. You can't go without mask. Okay?
Okay.
You know very well that corona is a dangerous disease. We can control corona by using these masks and washing our hands properly. If we follow these rules, we can reduce out of chances being infected or spreading.
Oh, that means by following good respiratory hygiene and washing my hands, I can protect myself and the people around.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you for your great information.
Go shake hand. It's my pleasure. Don't panic about coronavirus.
You can control it.
By using mask
Sanitizer.
whenever you go outside. Wash your hands frequently with soap.
So guys, when you go outside, wear mask and take sanitizer with you. So guys, if you like this conversation, hit the like button and share with your family and friends, and smash the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Then you get all notifications of the channel. And stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye bye and namaskaram.